Hi, welcome to Tripaholic. Today I am not making any travel video, but the most important things which I need to make my travel videos, that is my travel gadgets. And this video which I am making over one of my most important travel gadget, that is my primary camera, and that is Sony Alpha 5100. So please watch this video. So this is the box of Sony Alpha 5100, and let me open this. Today I got the delivery from Amazon, and you can see the HDMI cable which I have received from Sony Alpha, and these are some manuals which you may read or you may not, but it's better to read all the options. So this is the charger of battery, and this is the charging cable, this is the battery, this is the USB cable, and this is the stripe, and this is a 2GB memory card which I have got at free of cost, and the camera comes with 2 years warranty. And this is my darling Sony Alpha 5100. Okay, so at first I have to insert the battery. Okay, so let's insert it at first. Okay, oh yeah, so there is a lock, and you have to see it when you are inserting the battery. So I have inserted it. Okay, so camera is ready, and this is the option, this is the port actually from where you have to insert the memory card, and I have inserted it, and this is the display of this camera. Using this you can shoot your video vlog. So the camera comes with touch screen, and using the screen you can shoot your photo. Okay, this is very good option actually, and you can detach the lens and use some other lens if you want. The default lens is 1650 lens, 16 to 50 mm lens, which comes with this camera. So just detach it and use some other lens if you want. So this is all about the camera, and right now I will show you some settings of this camera. So there are a lot of settings, default settings, using which you can take some great photos as per the lighting conditions. So there are a lot of settings like intelligent auto, scene selection, sweep panorama, and in movies there are a lot of options: apertures priority, or shutter speeds priority, or manual option. So just select the right option to click some great photos and videos. And this is a flash button. By clicking this, the flash will pop up, and you can take some great photos in low light condition. So right now I am doing the zooming test, so I am zooming in. So this is the total zoomed in condition, and I hope the zooming is very good. You can see this one as well as an example. So the zoom in this camera is very good. The frame rate is fair enough when you are zooming in. I love this. So this is the autofocus test, and it will take hardly 1 second to autofocus some object. I will show you. So you can check yourself that it will take hardly 1 second, or 15 to 50 microseconds to autofocus some object. So this is the low light condition test which I am doing using my iPhone 6s and Sony Alpha 5100. So you can see the low light conditions. Okay, so as per my opinion, Sony Alpha 5100 is giving better quality Then iPhone 6s. Just some street lights are there, and those are YOLO lights, so you can see the quality of this camera. So these are some photos which I have clicked using my Sony Alpha 5100, so you can check the photo quality as well. Hi friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I have tried to show you all the features of Sony Alpha 5100. But till if you have any question, then please do comment. The one and only problem with this camera is that you can't insert any external mic to get some good audio. So this is the one and only problem with this camera. The video quality, the picture quality is very good. And in my next video, I will show you the features of my action camera, that is GoPro Hero Black 7. So there I will show you all the features, and I love my action camera GoPro Hero Black 7. So please subscribe my channel and keep watching my travel vlog. So see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.